Bonjour, c'est David. J'espère que vous allez bien. Bienvenue à une nouvelle leçon. If you haven't done so already, please go over to FrenchLearner.com and subscribe for your Word of the Day lesson. We offer the best and the most consistent French Word of the Day in the world. In today's lesson, we're going to cover what I feel is one of the most beautiful words in the entire French language, la neige, meaning snow. Word origin: the modern French word neige comes from nix, N-I-X in Latin. The modern French verb neiger comes from nivicare in Latin. Pronunciation: in French, the pronunciation of snow is neige, neige. It's a feminine noun, hence la neige. Let's look at some example sentences. It's snowing a lot and we're going skiing tomorrow. Il neige beaucoup et on va faire du ski demain. Il neige beaucoup et on va faire du ski demain. As I mentioned, the verb for to snow is neiger. For French weather expressions, we use il plus verb. Hence, il neige, it is snowing out. Il neige. For this sentence, the on in on va faire du ski means we, you and me. On va faire du ski demain. We're going to go skiing tomorrow. Next sentence. When I was a child, I used to love playing in the snow. Quand j'étais un enfant, j'adorais jouer dans la neige. Quand j'étais un enfant, j'adorais jouer dans la neige. This sentence is in the imperfect tense or l'imparfait. The French use the imperfect to express actions that you used to do. Next sentence. The kids are making a snowman in the yard. Les enfants font un bonhomme de neige dans le jardin. Les enfants font un bonhomme de neige dans le jardin. This sentence uses bonhomme de neige, which means snowman. Bonhomme, literally good man, can translate to little guy or a little man. Bonhomme. Next sentence. Each snowflake is unique. Chaque flocon de neige est unique. Chaque flocon de neige est unique. So in French, the word chaque means each or every. The masculine noun flocon means flake. So in French, les flocons d'avoine means oatmeal. Final example sentence. The level of snow cover in Europe is a real problem now. Le niveau déneigement en Europe est un vrai problème en ce moment. Le niveau déneigement en Europe est un vrai problème en ce moment. So this example sentence uses two noteworthy vocabulary words. Le niveau means level, le niveau, masculine. And the second word is enneigement. So we're taking the word neige and we're making another noun out of it, masculine noun. Enneigement means snow depth or snow cover. Et voilà, c'est la fin de la leçon. J'espère que vous avez trouvé la leçon utile. This is the end of the lesson. I hope you found it useful. Again, if you haven't done so already, please go to FrenchLearner.com and subscribe to get the best and most consistent French Word of the Day lesson on the planet. Je vous remercie. I thank you. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine.